Hi there. My name is Aaron Berman, and I'm at the Hong Kong office of Tata Communications. Today, I'm going to talk about our Shape the Future 6 idea, which is a project Ocean Connect. In this, we are trying to build a solution which is an intelligent remote container monitoring system. Basically, in today's world, we have seen a massive loss of cargo in transit, right? It could be a dry container, it could be a reefer, which is a refrigerated container. When it goes from the warehouse till the truck company, from the trucking to the port, from the port to the ship, and then the ship to the destination, and the process reverses. A lot of amount of cargo is lost. Approximately, as per the reports, last year Lloyd's paid around £1 billion for this write-offs, for the only the cargo write-offs, and 44% of these are basically attributed to three things. One is a theft, physical mishandling, and then the reefer malfunction, right? Because reefers are set to a certain temperature. If it is goes beyond that, the cargo might go faulty. So we plan to address these issues, which is a really important issues, because a company like Myers, the prime, the world largest ship owner, right? They're also invested in their own in-house solution to make this kind of solution. Even the CMA customer, the French big guys, they're also in the same thing. So there's a big market to it. As per the analyst today, it's standing at $170 million, and by 2023 it'll be a $700 million business. So it's a massive business. Now this particular solution helps everyone, right? It helps the shipping lines, it helps the shipper. Now how it works is, once the shipper attaches this hardware unit to his container, and put the start button on the start button, the tracker would send out the GPS feeds and the temperature, humidity feeds via the GSM SIM module that we've installed there. And it goes all the way to the trucking unit. The customer knows where the truck is stopping, pilferage is happening or not. He can respond on time. It goes to the port, goes to the ship, and the ship, we have a motion sensor. The crane picks it up. If it's a rough landing, the motion sensor will detect that, right? So, and in the ship, when it goes, we also install an edge computing node there. So the moment that it goes to the ship, the GSM module will set the transport to LoRa. Now LoRa will communicate with the edge node, and then we have a SATCOM transceiver which will send the telemetry data to our Tata Communications Cloud. Now with this, the customer will have a proper access and real-time access of his temperature feeds, humidity feeds, and the GPS tracking. Now let's say example, let's say some of the temperature malfunction happened in the reefer. Now the customer can take a 30 minutes, he can take a reactive step. He can ask the crew to take off one load which is faulty and sell it to the next calling port at a cheaper discounted rate, right? It can save his entire cargo. This way, it's a very good solution, and it has a market acceptability for sure. Now, what it does, now we plan to sell this to a couple of customer set. We plan to do a sell to model, and sell with model. We want to sell it to premium shipping, premium shipping lines, which are like regional customers. Because I went to the Asian Marine Conference. I spoke about the solution to a lot of ports, Okinawa ports, and a lot of small shipping companies. They didn't hear about the solution. So I think that the today's competition, there are a couple of competition who are doing this, but then they are only targeting the top three shipping lines. We want to do the non-top three shipping lines. We want to target the goods exporters or premium good exporters, marine cargo insurance, because they can have a saving of insurance as well. And we also like to go about the Port Authority and the shipping P&I clubs as well. This would be a subscription model wherein we would like to charge a cost plus model for the hardware to the shipping lines or to the customer, and we will charge a small amount, maybe a $2 to $5 per month for the container. That's a model. If it's a high commit, we can actually remove that as well. We have some competition today, but then they're all targeting the big ones. Now, for market adoption, right? We would like to go and get the first customer in 9 months. Maybe it is demo or a POC. We would like to do that. That's our goal, right? We will do social marketing. We will go to maritime events and make sure that we also go to farm our internal TCL customers, because that's also important. Now, coming from why people would choose us, right? We may be late. We are the one-stop solution providers. Today we have providers who are providing IT solutions, edge computing, but they are too disparate. There's not very few people who actually have a complete one-stop solution. We at Tata Communication, we have cloud infrastructure, we have IoT SIM Connect with maximum coverage, we have edge computing platform expertise, and we have the Tata brand. So I think with this, we'll be able to do justice to this industry and serve the customers well. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.